process of research and implications of the outcome. Pay 8a. Odisha.ed and Education Honors. Sharing and reflecting on the process of research and implications of the outcome. 1. Introduction. Action research is a reflective process undertaken by teachers or educators to solve immediate classroom problems through practical interventions. Once the process is completed and outcomes are achieved, it is essential not only to document the findings but also to share the research and reflect upon the process and outcomes. This step plays a pivotal role in enhancing the professional knowledge of the individual teacher and the larger educational community. In the context of teacher education programs like the Odisha.ed, understanding how to share findings and reflect on the implications helps student teachers become critical thinkers, lifelong learners, and effective practitioners. 2. Meaning of sharing and reflecting in research. Sharing. Sharing refers to the act of communicating the research process, findings, and experiences to others, including fellow teachers, school administrators, educational researchers, or the community. It can be done through reports, presentations, workshops, publications, or informal discussions. Reflecting. Reflecting is the process of critically analyzing one's own experiences throughout the research cycle, planning, implementing, observing, and evaluating, and drawing meaningful insights for future practice. It focuses on what worked and what didn't, what challenges were encountered, what would be done differently in future. 3. Importance of sharing research outcomes. Professional collaboration enables dialogue among teachers, encourages peer learning, and fosters a collaborative environment in the school. Improvement in teaching practice. Others can adopt or adapt the strategies that worked well. Accountability demonstrates the effectiveness of interventions to school heads or education departments. Documentation of best practices. Successful case studies become a part of the school's knowledge base. Empowerment. Teachers feel valued and confident in their ability to bring about change. 4. Methods of sharing research. Mode. Purpose. Example. Written report. Formal presentation of methodology, analysis, and conclusions. Action research report. Oral presentation. Sharing insights during meetings, conferences. B.Ed seminar or school assembly. Workshops. Hands-on demonstration of techniques used. Demonstrating peer teaching methods. Newsletters, school magazines. Summarizing key findings for wider audience. Article on improving reading habits. Peer discussion. Informal sharing of reflections. Sharing during internship with mentor. Online platforms. Reaching a broader educational community. Posting in teacher forums or blogs. 5. Components to be shared. When sharing an action research project, it is important to communicate the following aspects. Title and statement of problem. Objectives of the study. Rationale need of the research. Methodology used. Sample. Tools. Intervention. Data collection and analysis. Findings results. Conclusions. Implications and suggestions. Reflections and limitations. 6. Meaning of reflection in research. Reflection is a personal and professional review of how the action research unfolded. It requires honesty, critical thinking, and a willingness to learn from mistakes. Types of reflection. Reflection in action, thinking while teaching or implementing strategies. Reflection on action, thinking after the action has taken place. Critical reflection, deep analysis of assumptions, context, and values. 7. Guiding questions for reflection. Here are some questions a teacher researcher may ask. What were my initial assumptions about the problem? How did my understanding evolve during the process? Were my actions aligned with the goals? How did students respond to the intervention? What surprised me during the implementation? What would I do differently next time? What new questions emerged from this research? 8 tools for reflection. Tool. Purpose. Diary journal. Regular documentation of thoughts, experiences. Reflection sheets. Structured self-review based on guiding questions. Group discussion. Sharing experiences with peers. Mentor feedback. Input from guide or supervisor. Audio-video recordings. Review of real-time teaching practices. 9. Importance of reflecting on the research process. Promotes self-awareness, helps the teacher understand their biases, strengths, and limitations. Improves future planning, learning from mistakes helps in designing better research and interventions. Deepens understanding, encourages deeper engagement with the subject matter and learner diversity. Supports professional growth. Reflection is a cornerstone of continuous professional development, CPD. Builds a learning community. Sharing reflections encourages collective growth among educators. 10. Implications of action research outcomes. Implications refer to the practical consequences and applications of research findings in the teaching-learning context. At the classroom level, adjusting teaching strategies to suit diverse learners. Creating more inclusive and engaging lessons. Using assessment data for better learning outcomes. At the school level, informing school policies, example, homework practices, discipline strategies. Providing models of successful interventions. Motivating other teachers to conduct research. At the professional level, building a reflective and research-oriented mindset. Developing leadership roles within schools. Contributing to educational innovation. 11. Examples of implications. Research topic. Outcome. Implication. Improving handwriting of Class 3 students. Students improved by 40% in legibility. Integrate 10-minute handwriting practice daily. Reducing classroom distractions through seating arrangement. Improved attention spans. School adopted new seating policies. Enhancing reading habits using library hours. Students borrowed more books. Library sessions made part of timetable. 12. Challenges in sharing and reflecting. Challenge. Description. Fear of judgment. Teachers may hesitate to share failures or mistakes. Lack of time. Limited time for documentation and sharing. Poor documentation. Incomplete records make sharing difficult. Limited platforms. Few formal avenues for presentation in some schools. Resistance to feedback. Teachers may not be open to criticism or differing views. 13. Overcoming the challenges. Create a culture of openness, encourage every teacher to share and learn without fear. Allocate time in schedule, include reflection and sharing time in weekly meetings. Provide templates and guidance, make sharing easy with formats and mentor support. Use digital tools, blogs, WhatsApp groups, Google Forms, etc. can make sharing easier. Celebrate all efforts, recognize and appreciate efforts, even if results were not fully successful. 14. Sample template for reflection report. Section. Content. Title of research. Example: Improving listening skills in grade 5. Brief description. Summary of the problem and context. Process reflection. Key strategies used, challenges faced. Outcomes. Improvements observed. Lessons learned. What worked, what didn't, and why. Suggestions. Future recommendations. Emotional reflection. How the teacher felt during the process. 15. Role of B.Ed. Students in sharing and reflecting. As future teachers, you must document your action research systematically. Use class presentations and seminars to communicate findings. Engage in peer review and accept constructive feedback. Include reflection journals as part of your project work. Learn from others' experiences and adapt best practices. 16. Conclusion. Sharing and reflecting on the process of action research is not an optional step, but an integral part of the research cycle. It transforms action research from a personal exercise into a collaborative professional tool. Reflection leads to deeper learning, while sharing extends the benefit of the research to a wider educational audience. Through proper documentation, honest reflection, and constructive sharing, teachers and student teachers can create a culture of continuous learning, innovation, and improvement. In this way, the true value of action research is realized not just in solving one problem, but in contributing to the overall improvement of education.